feels good, feeling good, man, I told you so. Just live your life like you should, let your worries go. Keep your head up, even if you're fed up. Things will never change if you run from what you're scared of. Just remember who you are and where you came from. If you get lost, catch the steps and retrace them. Cause things change, but it ain't what defines you. And sometimes we need things that remind you.
Even without lying, you can always find me. Even when you're flying blind, I'm feeling.
This world is mine for the taking. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna make this world mine. 2 joints in a bottle of wine. People shouldn't change like the weatherman. People shouldn't change if they innocent. People act strange when it's getting hard to breathe. So let me be your oxygen. Please don't go, I will stay. When everyone is leaving and you're feeling strange. See them go, hear them say, trying to breathe but you're feeling strange. Oh, feel like you're living but you might be better out there. If you're going under, then I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. I'll be your oxygen. Domino.
Hi there.
Beat up, bum, bum. Follow if you want be one, want be one. Beat up, bum, bum. Run into the night we come. Beat up, bum, bum. Follow if you want be one, want be one.
People going crazy, yeah, we losing control. The heat is getting hotter like the fire below. Yeah, I'm about to lose it, man, I've seen it before. About to hit the limit, watch my lid it explode. So now I'm going, get back to California. Cause I've been all around and all the rain, nothing for me. I'm flipping over tables at my local saloons. I'm on the hunt for something nice to get me high as the moon. No, I ain't got time for a decline. And I'm fine with the fact that I ain't fine. If you see me, come on, keep on running, shit is hitting the flow. The heat is getting hotter like the fire below. Yeah, I'm about to lose it, man, I've seen it before. About to hit the limit, watch my let it explode. And now I ain't got time for a decline. And I'm fine with the fact that I ain't fine, let it go.
Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can break it down, yes, we can break it. Yes, we can break it down, we can break it. Like I know it takes so much. The pressure man come to pressure us. Oh, they came to watch us fall. Oh yes, they came to watch us fall. But we will rise up against them all. So I stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the wall that we can break down.
Well, it's a high plains drifter mixed with Jack the Ripper, dropping lyrics like some waiter. I was sitting on a shitter, hit you right in the kisser, pop like a blister, making moves on a track. Checkmate, Bobby Fischer. You're mad at me, man, like I valet your sister. Drove her like a whipping and I tipped her. Just picture this a vicious one. I'm on a mission, son. This my kitchen. Stop your bitching till the dish is done. Not like you used to. Might need a booster. Chop up the beat like I used a Yakuza. We got the producer. He's super de duper, and I am so stoned like I checked out